In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do these two beautiful head wrap updos, and of course ignore my hair here. So you're just going to take your gilly. So we're going to start with the very first one. Take a small portion from the width part of your gilly and begin to fold it in a Take a rubber band and band the part that you have carefully pleated. Place it on your head neatly and ensure it is firm. Secure the bottom part of it, twist it in order to secure it so that it sits very well and very tight on your head. Twist it long enough till it's able to go around your head. You can twist it up till the end of your gilly. Now take it around the part where you have held with your rubber band and twist it enough. You would want to be mindful of the size or the length of the head wrap you are using so you do not have a lot of excesses at this point. Now you would want to begin to style the leftover part which you have held earlier with the rubber band. You style it by gently spreading it. It's going to already form a nice pleated shape since you had already neatly pleated it in the beginning. While it spreads and curves, you would want to pin the both edges with your pin down to the side of the head wrap. Style as desired to give it a fitting shape that suits your face. Here's the final look. So you want to go ahead and do your put on your clothes if you haven't, or you are ready to go if you are already all dressed for your occasion. Now we are going in with the second look, so stay tuned as I begin to style it. For this look, you are going to divide your gele into 70-30 and place over your head. Bring the two hands to the front or to the middle of your head and twist. Take the 30% portion of the head wrap and begin to twist it all the way down. Once you have twisted the 30% part all the way down and pinned, you would take the 70% and begin to style. So this part is self-explanatory, so just watch closely as I begin to style the 70%. Pull your head wrap backwards to ensure it's right on your hairline, and here is the final look. Make sure to like this video if you found it super helpful. Do well to comment if you have any questions, and do not forget to smash the subscribe button to subscribe and stay tuned to more of my videos like this. Bye.